In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Henry Meds, what they offer, some info about their medication, their pricing, and we'll also answer the question, is it worth trying out? But before we get started, if at any point during watching this video you decide to give Henry Meds a try, then I recommend using the link in the description below to go straight to their website and sign up for the best price available. Alright, so what is Henry Meds? Henry Meds is an online clinic that provides a variety of treatments. They specialize in weight loss management and offer several options such as Semaglutide, Tirzepatide, Phentermine, and some other medication. The best part is that you could sign up for their services from home, which is convenient if you prefer not to make frequent trips to a clinic. Here's how it works. You start by filling out your health questionnaire and then follow it up with a virtual consultation with one of their healthcare providers. This helps make sure that the treatments are safe and works for your health goals. Now, let's look into their treatments. As I mentioned before, Henry Meds offers Semaglutide, Tirzepatide, and liraglutide, which are medications specifically for weight loss management. Semaglutide and Tirzepatide are available in injectable or oral forms, while liraglutide is only available as an injection. Phentermine is another option in form of capsules that help with appetite control, and they offer testosterone therapy as well. From what I've seen online, their services generally have positive reviews from their patients, and medications they offer are known to be effective for weight loss. Semaglutide, Tirzepatide, and liraglutide all work similarly by helping to control hunger and reduce overeating. Phentermine just generally reduces appetite, and their testosterone replacement therapy has tons of reviews saying it got people quick but stable results. Just keep in mind that these treatments work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, since they don't just magically make you healthy. They mainly help you reduce your calorie intake, so ideally, you should still put in some work. And as with any medication, there can be some side effects, so I definitely recommend discussing this during your online consultation with them and also just generally monitoring how you feel while taking it. But if you have any questions or need assistance, their team is there to help you through the entire process, and they usually respond pretty quickly. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Henry Meds treatments are pretty affordable compared to the similar ones on the market, and even offer discounts for the first month. Take their semaglutide treatment. For example, it costs $197 for the first month, and then $297 for each month after that, which means you're spending less money when trying them out the first month. Overall, Henry Meds is a solid choice for weight management and testosterone treatments. They offer a range of options, the convenience of having everything done online, and the supportive customer service. So in my opinion, they are worth it. And it's not a perfect online clinic, but it's definitely one of the best ones on the market right now. So if Henry Meds sounds like it could be the right fit for you, then check out the link in the description below to go straight to their website and check them out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below for me. Thanks for watching. Bye.